Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Hope you all are doing very well. So today I'm back again with another drawing tutorial. This is a portrait of Indian saint, and I'm doing this in freehand with charcoals. First, I have taken a willow charcoal. This is a willow charcoal stick. I'm doing the shape. I'm just trying to identify the shape of the portrait with that willow charcoal, and I have taken a gray color tone paper because you see in the reference is given in the left side. You see the reference the beard and the hair are white, so I want to use a white charcoal pencil for the hair and beard. So I have taken a gray color paper, because in the gray color paper the middle tone is always given, and you have to just identify the dark tone and the light tone. The dark tone I'll use the charcoal, and for light tone, that is the white part, I'll use a white charcoal pencil. Okay, so let's enjoy the total video. As this is a willow charcoal strokes, so I can always erase that with hand. Now I am using a General's charcoal. It's 2B grade for the exact proportions. First, for the willow charcoal sticks, I just want to understand the shape of the portrait. Now I am giving some details to the portrait. Enjoy the video. If you like the result, then consider subscribe my channel and give a like. And if you wish to know about drawing portrait or drawing tutorials, then you can comment. I always reply to important comments. I read all the comments. So here I am identifying the dark part, the black part actually, and I am using different charcoal pencils. First I have used the General's brand charcoal. Now this is another charcoal pencil from Camlin brand, and it is dark, very much dark. So it's not a real-time tutorial, because the real-time now I use a white charcoal pencil from Brastro brand. This is a white charcoal, and I want to give the highlight and the white part with that charcoal pencil. Just see the reference in the left. You can always understand the highlight part and the white part in the portrait. If you have any queries, please comment. I will answer it. So it is not a real-time tutorial, because the real-time tutorial was nearly 1 hour, and it's not possible to give 1 hour video. But if you wish to learn, then comment. I will give the 1 hour video tutorial link so that you can learn from that. Now I am using a woodless charcoal. This is a woodless charcoal from Warison brand. You can find the all material links in the video. I will give the link. I will try to give the link of the materials I am using. You can buy from the link, because YouTube has given the permission to give the material link, and I'll give the link in the description box. So please check that for materials. If you wish to buy, then you can buy from the link. If you are an Indian, then this link is work on for Flipkart. that will be a Flipkart link, but you can get the name of the material and you can buy from Amazon also. That is not from my link but from the Amazon app. Okay, I'll give all the material details. Now see, I am using the white pencil for the white beard and hair. Watch the tutorial full so that you can get the final result. And if you wish to learn in detail, then comment. I'll try to give the time to time video, real time video, that will be around 1 hour. So it's an advantage to use a gray color paper, because gray color paper you always get the middle tone. Okay, so you have to just identify the dark tone and the light tone, and the portrait drawing is become more easy. In white paper you have to leave the white part for highlight, but in dark you have to use the white pencil, white charcoal, this type of pencil to give the highlight. So the result is coming slowly. Now I am using a charcoal stick from, this is very dark, and this is from Cretacolor brand. So my portrait is nearly complete. A 1 hour portrait, I am editing it in only 7 minutes, so that nowadays no one has too much time for see. So I have edited it in 7 minutes. Please comment how is the result, and if you like the result, then please consider subscribe my channel, give a like, give a comment, so that I can get more energy to do more portraits and more drawings for you. In my channel there are many videos, many real-time videos is also there, so please watch that. Thank you very much. Bye bye.